ILA Speak Up 2022. We are Creative Assemble. My name is John Ian.
My name is Melo.
My name is Nancy.
My name is Dragon.
And my name is Kevin.
And we are from ILA Trang. What's wrong with you? You look so upset. What is in your head?
You know what? I just had a word with my mom. When I went to a landfill, I saw so many plastic bottles and so sad.
Yeah, as far as I know, we produce about 20,000 bottles per second. That's 1 million bottles after just a minute, and 5 billion plastic bottles are being produced yearly.
How unbelievable! How long does a plastic bottle take to decompose?
Plastic bottles take for 450 years to decompose. And did you know that just 9% of them are recycled? All the rest will be burned and they end up on landfills, become garbage, dumps everywhere, polluting in water and oceans. That happens every day and every minute.
So, how can we reduce that number of plastic bottles?
Oh, I have an idea. How about turning them into things that we can reuse? I've made some at home. I'll show you guys. Ta-da! The bottle couple is made from washing liquid, and I took the cat from the Yakult bottles to make the hands and the legs. For the Yakult body, we can turn them into this frog. The frog can be used as a pen holder. For this bee, we can make a hole in it and hang it on the wall. And for the snowman, it could be a little decoration for Christmas because Christmas is coming.
Oh, I also have some items made out of plastic bottles too. This is used to be an old can. It's a convenient and super lovely mini bag too. I can take this everywhere. This is a tube rails. I use this as show-up holder in the bathroom. And these two swans are made from washing liquid bottles. You can put anything in them. Crayon, shorts, any school supplies.
Hold on. I think prevention is better than cure. So besides reducing them, cutting back on plastic bottles can reduce waste and also limit emissions.
So how can we do that?
Oh, at home, instead of buying a new can of detergent, such as laundry liquid, dishwashing liquid, and more, my mom always gets them in a big bag and pulls them into the old can, and boom! They look like a brand new one. And in Iowa near Trang, we have stopped using single-use cups. They encourage us to bring our own water bottles. The campaign slogan is "Small action, big difference." The message still lives on with the students and staff in Iowa near Trang.
Effective way.
And I think in the future, we can probably transform plastic into environment-friendly materials. I remember it. It's called eco-friendly plastic.
What's the material?
They are a family of polymers created with renewable resources. Plant-based. Plant-based plastic includes starch-based materials from potatoes, corn, mushroom roots, baguette, seaweed, barley, and wheat. Isn't it cool? To sum up, plastic bottles have so many disadvantages and we have to upgrade them. Are you interested in our solution to save the environment? If yes, please vote for us. We'll do the best we can.
Vote